where your counterbalancing will change, right? To allow for some play at the wrist and mobility to help take advantage of the momentum. Yeah. Becomes most evident when you start to get into the Meel type of work, right? Specifically, reverse Meel and forward Meel, right? Where you're doing same shoulder circle casting. Cast. Cast. Momentum. The other thing too with the casting is the club head. Really controlling where the club head is and dumps from is huge in the body. Now you can use torso rotation to help out with that, right? Or you can use stepping, right? Cast. And so maybe that's a good point to note, is that there's a difference between casting the club and arm locking yourself with the club. Casting the club can train you to become more resilient with arm locks. But what you don't want to do is to arm lock yourself with the club. And you do that by a couple different ways. One, making a mistake of using this, right? And then you can start to leverage the momentum to push the club head high. Show you what I mean. Right? That's a rough one.